Today we're at this lovely 4-bedroom semi-detached property on the popular Orchard Grove development. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home.
Up and hit the road, searching high and low. Never can tell, you never really know. Running out of breath, need you to pull me up. Hell is raining down, I need you to come around. I call it love, you think I'm crazy. You're trying to work the angles on me. You're playing with my heart, if I'm not mistaken. You're trying to work the angles on me. You cut so deep.
If you're interested in this property, or indeed a valuation of your own home, please do get in touch.
Staying in control. You got me so